Hi, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to change your nickname in a Discord server, so you can customize your name on any server easily. Step 1. Navigate to the Discord server where you want to change your nickname. This is important because nicknames are server-specific, and your main username will stay the same on other servers. Make sure you are in the correct server before continuing. Step 2. Find your name on the server user list. The user list is usually on the right side of the screen, and it shows all members currently in the server. Locating your name here is essential to access your server profile. Step 3. Right-click your name and select Edit Server Profile. This option allows you to make changes to your nickname, and it ensures that the modification applies only to this server. Step 4. Enter your desired nickname. Choose any name you like, as long as it follows the server's rules. This nickname will appear to other members whenever you chat or interact in this server. Step 5. Return to the server to see the change reflected. Once you do this, your new nickname will be visible immediately to everyone in the server. You can now enjoy a personalized identity without affecting your main Discord username. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.